Hello everyone. Today we are going to adsorb carbon monoxide gas on the supercell that we have created yesterday. So for this, first we will import our supercell. This is our supercell with vacuum added to it, and we will add carbon monoxide gas into it. So we will edit the file, that is this file, to add the gas. We'll add two more atoms here. So these are the positions for two more atoms. The positions, we will define the positions. Here we need to have the half of this particular coordinate or position, and this would be here. This is half of this, and we will add this here on the axis, as well as we'll add similar half here. Now the vacuum that we have is at about 20. We will move it to 30, and we will add the gas. Oh, we'll have the half of it. We will give this and here. The first atom that we are going to add is carbon, and then oxygen. First, one atom of carbon as well as one atom of oxygen. Also, carbon comma oxygen, and we will save this. So here, close it once again. Open. Here we can see the carbon monoxide gas added to it. You can use space filling model to see. So here we can see the gas heads up over the surface. The vacuum distance is much bigger. We will change this into 30. Instead of this, we will have 20, back to 20. And once again save. We need a vacuum of 10 Armstrong, so it would be nearby 10 Armstrong to the supercell. Once again close, open the same file, and here we can see the carbon monoxide gas added to it. We have to optimize the structure to get the exact positions of carbon monoxide gas over the surface by running the DFT calculations. But for now, it's okay. We can use this structure for running the DFT calculations. So thank you for watching this video, and also subscribe to have more such content. Thank you.